Feeling swamped by massive Excel data? Pivot tables can simplify everything in seconds. Hi, I am Omik from Click Learning. In this video, I will show you how to master pivot tables in Excel. You will learn to create them, customize them for your needs, custom calculations, and truly unlock their full power. Ready to take your Excel game to the next level? Okay, let's dive in. Excel pivot table is like your personal data analyst, automatically summarizing, grouping, and analyzing large data sets with minimal effort. Before we create a pivot table, we need to make sure our data is clean and organized. First, convert your dataset into an Excel table. Go to the Insert tab and click on the table. Or you can use a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl+T on your keyboard and click OK. This ensures your pivot table automatically updates when you add new data. Now set a table name. If your data isn't clean, your pivot table won't work as expected. So always ensure each column has a meaningful header. Excel uses them to organize your data. Empty rows or columns can confuse Excel, so keep your data compact and complete. Don't include subtotals or grand totals within the raw data. And ensure proper formatting. Let's create a pivot table. Select the dataset. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose whether to place it on a new worksheet or the existing one. Click OK. Or you can use the Excel Recommended PivotTable feature. That is even an easier way. Head to the Insert tab and click on Recommended PivotTables. Excel will instantly analyze your data and suggest a variety of layouts that might work best for your needs, like total sales by region or sales by customer name. Just select one of them. Here I will select sales by customer name and click OK. Drag sales date to the filters area. This lets you quickly focus on a specific time period. Now that our pivot table is ready on a new sheet, let's explore the pivot table fields panel on the right. This is where all the headers from your dataset appear, which is why it's crucial to ensure each column has a clear and meaningful header. You can easily drag the headers into the filters, columns, rows, or values area to shape your analysis. Want to customize the pivot table fields layout? Head over to the Tool section to select a layout that works best for your needs. Here the data I want to analyze is the value sections. Product and customer name into the row section. To show details, just click on the plus sign. If you want to change aggregation, right-click the value. Select Value Field Settings and switch between Sum, Average, Count or Mode. To add number formatting, right-click a value, go to the number format, and add separators or reduce decimals. Finally, click OK. Want a professional look? Go to the Design tab and choose a pivot table style. You can enable subtotals or remove them entirely. Just go to the Design tab, click on Subtotal. Here you can choose Do Not Show Subtotal. Show all subtotals at the bottom of the group. And also choose Show All Subtotals at the top of the group. Similarly, you can customize grand totals. You can also customize the report layout and insert blank lines after each item. If you accidentally close pivot table fields and need to bring it back, go to the Analyst tab and click on Field List to restore it. Do you want to supercharge your pivot table with custom calculations? First, click anywhere in your pivot table to activate the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Then head to Fields, Items and Sets and select Calculated Field. This is where the magic happens. In the name box, enter a title for your custom calculation. For example, let's calculate a bonus based on 10% of sales. In the formula box, type =, sales. Issuing the field names from your pivot table into 10%. Once you are done, click OK, and your new calculated field will appear in the pivot table. It's that simple. You can also add a slicer. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click Insert Slicer and choose fields like region. Want to make your pivot table even more powerful and display your values as percentages for advanced analysis? First, click anywhere inside your pivot table. Locate the values area on the right side of your screen in the pivot table field stand. Now, right-click the field you would like to analyze as a percentage and select Value Field Settings. In the Value Field Settings window, click the Show Values as tab. Here you can choose how your data will be displayed. From the drop-down menu, select a percentage option that fits your analysis. For example, choose % of grand total. To see how each value contributes to the overall total, click OK and your pivot table will now display values as percentages. This makes it easy to spot trends and compare contributions at a glance. Right-click any column to sort values from largest to smallest. Add filters to focus on specific data points. There are some common mistakes to avoid when working with pivot tables. Forgetting to refresh after adding new data. Renaming column headers without updating the pivot table. It will break your report. Not converting your dataset into a table. It's a lifesaver for dynamic data. In summary, pivot tables save you time, simplify analysis, and help you make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Whether you are summarizing sales, tracking performance, or preparing a report, pivot tables are your go-to tool. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.